But as of right now, with my daughter, they just say irritable bowel, which just makes me nervous because that's what they said when I was her age. Yes, exactly. Yes. You know, I can only say so much because at 26, you're a grown man, you know. But it definitely does get misdiagnosed so easily, unfortunately. But I feel like in the past few years, it's definitely come more into the light, like being acknowledged. Your favorite scent and powder? Oh, my favorite scent is pine. My favorite scent is definitely pine, and my favorite powder has to be OG. I'm a very simple person. Thank you for the follow. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You know, I can only just pray that I didn't pass it on to them. But if I did, it's something that can hopefully, you know, be dealt with. Thank you. As of right now, nothing else is going in. I have added everything. Yes, I definitely eat this. This is my lunch. Would you like to share? Yes, I always tell them that. Always. Like, yes, best lunch ever. Like, even with me and my kids, actually, my dad is an epileptic, and we all suffer from really, really bad migraines. And so that's the first thing I do. Always mention family history of medical concerns. Always. They do. They definitely brush things off. And like with me, it was told when I was in my late 20s, I was too young to have Crohn's disease. I wasn't the right, I don't know the correct way to say this, I wasn't the right nationality to have Crohn's disease. I didn't have a family history of it. But just because I was too young and the wrong nationality and everything else, didn't change it. I still had it. How much for one of the fabric softener bottles? I have like $2 ones and $4 ones. Yeah, exactly. I had stomach problems all from the time I turned about 8. And they just kept saying, no, you're lactose intolerant. Thank you for the follow. The extras? I don't have any more extra fabric softener. I really need to update my post. I have bigger bottles of like the ensueño. I have a big bottle of like the yellow Suavitel. And then I have like just the Downies and the Suavitels. Yeah, of course. Hang on. Let me see what I have. And everything's... Thank you for the heart me. Let's smooth this out. Hi, how are you? Good afternoon. Oh, that smells so good. Thank you for the reviews. Thank you. Hang on. I feel a chunk somewhere. There it is. I know it's itchy. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's funny that you entered right now because I was literally going to ask, do I have any Bridgerton people out here? Because I've been searching high and low for Bridgerton people, but I can't find any. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, clean green beans. Hey, dirty mouth. Oh, okay. I'm following it all now. I guess she asked what I use this for.